SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to increase contrast on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If it seems like the dark colors and light colors on your iPhone screen are a little too similar, then you might want to increase the contrast. You can do this by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing Accessibility. You can then select the Display and Text Size option, and then you can find the Increase Contrast button and just tap the button to the right of that. Now you should see that some things on the menu have changed, and you can go back and see that the darker and lighter colors on your screen are a little easier to distinguish from one another. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.